morning everyone. So let us start our today's class. Okay, so before continuing, there was one mistake in question number 2. Okay, that I have done. So you see what I have done over here. Question number 2. Okay, see question number 2. Number 1 it is given what 3 to 4. Number 2 it is given as what 5 to 9. Number 3 it is given as what 6 to 5. Number 4 6 5 6 1. Number 5 5 4 7 6. Then number 6 is 4 4 8 9. And the number 7 is what 40. Now what is the question? You see, which of the following numbers are squares of the even number? Like say one I have written 36. Okay, now 36 what? 36 is a square of an even number what? 6. 6 square is how much? 36. Understood? So 36 what? 36 is a square of an even number. Whose square? 6 square. Okay, now try to understand the question. What was the property? The property was the square of an even number. The square of an even number is what? Even. And the square of an odd number is what? Odd. Means the square of an even number is even, means even, then it will be even, odd, then it is odd. Like for 36, 36 is whose square? 36 is 6 squares. Since 36 is even, so 6 is even. Okay, so one thing is confirmed. Since in the question it is asked, which of the following numbers are squares of even numbers? So our target is what? Only on even numbers. Okay, so see, this is even number. See, at first this is odd number. So this one we don't need. Odd number. So this will also not be odd number. Again 5 4 7 6 is even number. Okay, again 4 4 8 9 odd number, and 40 is also what? Even number. Now 3 to 4, you have to now see. Okay, the 3 to 4 is whose square? Whose even number square? Which even number square is 3 to 4? So 3 to 4, if you have memorized, it is very simple. It is 18 square. 18 is the even number. 18 square is how much? 3 to 4. So yes, this is correct. This is what? This is 18 square. Isn't it? This is 18 square. This is correct. Next, 5 4 7 6. 5 4 7 6 is whose square? You can find if you want. 5 4 7 6 is also a perfect square. Okay, 5 4 7 6 is also a perfect square. If you want, you can find. Okay, using prime factorization method, you can find. This is definitely what? This is definitely a perfect square. Okay. Now I am not going to find this one because otherwise it will waste our time. But it is definitely a perfect square. Over here I have made mistake in the last video. Okay. See what I have done. I have said that yes, 40 is an even number. So you take this one correct. Okay. But 40 is whose square? 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. Now you see 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 40 is not there. 40 is whose square? 40 is no one's square. So yes, it is even number, but still this will not be your correct option. Okay, understood? You cannot tick mark this one because 40 is not a perfect square. Yes, 40 is even number. So by mistakenly in the last video I have ticked this one. Okay, so you correct that one. So you see 40 is even. Okay, correct. But this is not a perfect square number. Like now say 42. 42 is also even number, but 42 is not a square number of any number. Understood? 42 is not a square of any number. But you see even number like 64. 64 is even, and it is also a square of what? 8 square is 64. So yes, 64 will become, but 40 will not become. So your option is what? Only 1 and 5. Okay, this 40 I have made a mistake. I didn't check that whether 40 was perfect square or not. So by mistakenly I have ticked in that one. in the last class. So you correct that one. Okay, 40 is not a perfect square. Yes, it is even, but since it is not a perfect square, so you have to what? You have to cancel that one. Understood? Okay. So this was the problem in the last question, and some of you have submitted the homework. You have done question number 4. So very good. Okay, but still let me do one question. Still let me do one question. One more. Say 4 number, which one? 4 number 6. A small one I will do. Okay, 4 number 6. Question number 4 number 6. 605. Okay. So let us start doing this one. Solution. So what is the first part of the question? By which number this should be multiplied to make it a perfect square, isn't it? So okay, 605. 5 is there, right? So with 5 it will be divisible, isn't it? So 5 1s are 5, then 6, 1 is left, right? 1 and 0 is how much? 10. 5 2s are 10, and then again 5 1s are 5. Now 1 to 1. If you have reminded, then I think so you know what is 1 to 1. Something is coming into your brain or not? What is 1 to 1? 1 to 1? 1 to 1 is what? 11. 11 is what? 121. Understood? So you memorize that one, okay? So what I can say, therefore 605 is equal to what? 5 into 11 into 11. So my 11 is in what? 11 is in pair. Which is single? 5 is single. So one more 5 is needed, isn't it? One more 5 is needed. Then only 5 will be what? Pair. So what should be multiplied? 5 should be multiplied. So 5 should be multiplied. Very simple answer, isn't it? Whatever it is single, that should be multiplied. Okay. Now the next part of the question. Also find the number whose square is the new number. Also find the number whose square is the new number. So at first, let us find the new number. So now, say over here now, what should be multiplied? 5 should be multiplied. Okay. So now 605 into 5, because 5 should be multiplied, right? Also find the number. You have to find the number whose square is the new number. Also find the number. This number you have to find. Okay, this number whose square, jak square korile ki hoy, notun number to ahi jay. So sobar aগে নতুন নাম্বারটা উলাই লও। নতুন নাম্বারটা কি হবে? এই 605 এর লগত যদি 5 ইনটু কৰি দিয়া, এই নতুন নাম্বারটা পাই যাবা, এই নতুন নাম্বারটা পাই যাবা। ঠিক আছে? So 605 and you multiply 5. Why? Because 5 should be multiplied. So multiply 5 into 11 into 11 into what? 5. Now you see 5 is also 2, 11 is also what? 2. There are 2 5s and there are 2 11s. Okay? Done. Now you have to just simplify what? Square root. So therefore square root of 605 into 5 will be equal to what? Square root of 5 into 11 into 11 into 5. Done. Now you see, which is equal to, how many 5s are there? 2 5s are there, right? And in the previous video I have said, from 2 5, 1 5 will come out. Always from one pair is how much? 2, right? So from 2 things or from 2 items, 1 item will come out. From what? From the square root, okay? Only from the square root. If you don't write square root, say you have written 5 into 11 into 11 into 5. If you don't give square root, suppose you have not given the square root, okay? Then you cannot write 1 5. Only if you give square root, this symbol, square root symbol, then only from 2 5, 1 5 will come out. And from 2 11, 1 11 will come out. This process will happen only if you give the square root. Understood? So now, what is the answer? 11 5 is how much? 55. Okay, so let me check the answer once. 3.1, number 4, number 6. 3.1, number 4, number 6, 5 and 55. Okay, so this is the answer. Understood? So this should be multiplied. The first part The second part, also find the number, this one, whose square, if you square this one, যদি এক square করে দিয়া, you will get the new number. So at first to find the new number. New number is what? With 605. If you multiply 5, this is an overall new number. এটা একটা নতুন নাম্বার হয়ে যাব না? 605 এর লগত 5 ইনটু করলে কি হবে? এটা নতুন নাম্বার পাবা। Now keep in mind, এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই করার কোনো দরকার নাই। 605 আর 5 ক মাল্টিপ্লাই করে কি পাবা? এটা নাম্বার পাবা। সেই নাম্বাৰটো তোমাৰ অ্যানসাৰ হ'ব নেকি? নহয় তো না। অ্যানসাৰ তো এটোৱে হয়। তেতিয়াহ'লে ইয়াত এক্সামত টাইম ওয়েস্ট কৰি কি লাভ আছে? 605 into 5 যিয়ে নহওক আমাৰ এনসাৰটো নহয়। যদি আমাৰ এনসাৰে নহয় এটো, আমাৰ যদি এনসাৰ এটো লাগে, ইয়াত কেলে টাইম ওয়েস্ট কৰিম? ইয়াত টাইম ওয়েস্ট কৰা না। এক্সামৰ ভ্যালুয়েবল টাইমটো ইয়াত দিয়া, ইয়াত কেলে দিব লাগে? আন্ডাৰস্টুড? সো নতুন নাম্বাৰটো ওলাই লোৱা। নতুন নাম্বাৰ কেনেকে হ'ব? 605 ৰ লগত কি মাল্টিপ্লাই হ'ব? 5 মাল্টিপ্লাই হ'ব। মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলো। ওকে? তেতিয়াহ'লে 605 কিমান হয়? 605 হয় 5 11 11। তো ইয়াত 5 11 11 লিখা, এই যে ইনটু 5 টো দিছা, ইনটু 5 টো লগাই দিয়া ইয়াত। হৈ গল। টিল দিস মাচ ইট ইজ 605, লগত কি আহিছে? লগত ইনটু 5 আহিছে। তারপর স্কয়ার রুট লগাই দিয়া। স্কয়ার রুট লগাব লাগিব। স্কয়ার রুট নলগালে নতুন নাম্বার নোপোৱা। ফার্স্ট ক্লাসত কৈছিলো সকে যে স্কয়ার তাত গলে কি হ'ব? ইয়াত যদি স্কয়ার রুট ইয়াৰ অপোজিট হয়, স্কয়ার কৰিলে এটো পাবা, ইয়াৰ স্কয়ার রুট কৰিলে এটো পাবা। ঠিক আছে? অপোজিট হয়। 5 ৰ স্কয়ার যদি 25 হয়, তেতিয়াহলে 25 ৰ স্কয়ার রুট কি হ'ব? 5 হ'ব। তো তুমি ইয়াৰ স্কয়ার রুট কৰিলেহে নিউ এই নাম্বাৰটো পাবা। এই নিউ নাম্বাৰক এটো নিউ নাম্বাৰ না। See, this is 5, this is square, this is what? 25. So this 25 is the what? New number. So তুমি ইয়াৰ square root কৰিলেহে 5 answer টো পাবা, নাম্বাৰ টো পাবা। also find the number, also find the কি কৈছে? এই নাম্বাৰ কৈছে, এই নাম্বাৰে 5 টো লাগে। তো ইয়াৰ square root ওলালেহে পাবা। তো ইয়াৰ square root ওলাব লাগিব ইয়াৰ। ঠিক আছে? ওকে। সো যদি কোনোবা হোমৱৰ্ক নাই কৰা, সেম তেনেকে প্ৰসেসত কৰা, this process you will get the answer. Okay? Okay, let us move to next question. Next question is also similar, exactly similar, only it is what? Only it is divided. Question number 4, it is multiplied. That by what number it should be multiplied? And you see question number 5, by which number should each of the following numbers be divided? So the question pattern is same, only it is what? Divided. So again the process is same. At first you prime factorize the number. Say number 1, 4608. 4608. Okay? Number 5 what? Number 1, isn't it? Number 5, number 1. So keep on doing 4608. Okay, even number, then by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 0 2 4 ja 8. Okay? 2 1 ja 2, then again 2 1 ja 2, 3, 1 and 0 10, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. 11 again even number, so 2 5 ja 10, 11 15, 2 7 ja 14, 15 12, 2 6 ja 12. Now this thing I think so everyone knows, okay, how to do this one, because you have done in class 7, class 6, this method you have done. While finding LCM also you have done. Okay, so you know how to do this one. Okay, if anyone has problem in prime factorization method, you can send me message, okay, that you have problem, then only I will explain this one again properly. But I am assuming that you know this one. এটো তো সবে কৰিব জানিব লাগে এতিয়া। ওকে, যেনেকৈ প্লাস মাইনাস ইনটু ডিভাইড বেসিক থিং হয়, এইটো এটা বেসিক থিং হয়। ওকে, বাট নোৱাৰিলে কবা, be frank and you just share me, okay, in WhatsApp that yes, I cannot do this one, so please explain this one again. So I will explain, I will make a separate video on how to prime factorize. Okay, again you see even number is there, so by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 5 na, 4 or 2 ja 5 kiman, 2 ja 4 5, so 1 thakile 1 or 7 kiman 17, 2 8 ja 16, again 1 1 and 6 16, so 2 8 ja 16. Keep on doing. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6 7, 2 6 ja 12, 2 18 ja 36, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9. Done. Okay, same process, same like question number 4. At first you have to prime factorize this one. Okay, prime factorization done, so you know write into its factor form. So therefore 4608 is equal to 2 into 2. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 into how many 3s are there? 2 3s are there. Okay, Okay, so pair them. This is one pair, another pair, another pair, another pair, single, and then this one. Now again you see, যদি কোয়েশ্চনটো থাকিলে হেতেন what should be multiplied, তো তুমি কবা যে 2 সিঙ্গল কে আছে, so 2 should be multiplied. কেলে why 2 should be multiplied? Because যদি ইয়াত আৰু এটা 2 আহি যায়, যদি ইয়াত আৰু এটা 2 আহি যায়, তেতিয়াহলে কেটা 2 হৈ যাব, দুটা 2 হৈ যাব, আকৌ পেয়াৰ হৈ যাব. If one more 2 comes, then again it will be what? It will be a pair. Understood? Okay, but in this question it is said what? In this question it is said what should be divided. So তুমি সোয়া, suppose এতিয়া এই 2 টো নাথাকিলে হেতেন, suppose এই 2 টো নাথাকিলে হেতেন, তেতিয়াও তো পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হ'ব. সো পেয়ার 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 পেয়ার. যদি এই 2 টো নাথাকিলে হেতেন, তেতিয়াও তো এই পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হ'ব. দুটা অপশন থাকে, মানে আইদার আৰু এটা 2 আহি যাওক, আইদার আৰু এটা 2 আহি যাওক, নহলে নেক্সট অপশন কি, এই 2 টোৱে যদি না থাকে তথাপিও তো কাম হৈ যাব না. এটা এক্সাম্পল চোৱা, ধৰা 18. ওকে, 18. সো 18 কেনেকে লিখিম মই, 2 এনেকে লিখো, 3 3 যা 9, 9 2 যা 18. কি লিখিছো মই, এটো 18 লিখিছো. এটা এক্সাম্পল. ওকে, জাস্ট ওয়ান সিম্পল এক্সাম্পল. ইউ সি, তুমি কবা যে ওকে 3 পেয়াৰত আছে, 2 কি আছে, 2 সিঙ্গল আছে. তো তুমি যদি ইয়াৰ লগত আৰু এটা 2 মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিয়া, তেতিয়াহলে কি হৈ যাব, পেয়াৰ হৈ যাব. তেতিয়াহলে কি হৈ যাব, পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হৈ যাব. মানে কি ইনটু কৰিব লাগিব, 2 সিঙ্গল আছে, 2 ইনটু কৰিব লাগিব. তো সোয়া 18 2 যা কিমান হয়, 18 2 যা 36, আৰু 36 পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হয় না নহয়, ডেফিনেটলি হয়, হয় না, কাৰ স্কয়ার হয়, 6 স্কয়ার. সো 36 পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হয়. এতিয়া আৰু এটা অপশন আছে, তুমি কি কবা যে মই 2 মাল্টিপ্লাই নকৰো, মই এই 2 টোকে গাইড কৰি দিম ইয়াপা, let me cancel this 2 only. okay, 2 নাইকিয়া কৰি দিয়া তাপা, তেতিয়াও তো পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হ'ব. কি হ'ব, 3 3 যা কি হ'ব, 3 3 যা মানে 18 ক কি কৰিব লাগিব, সোয়া ইয়াতে 2 2 আছে, হয় না, I will cancel this 2. How will I cancel this 2? I have to divide by 2, then this 2 2 will get cancelled. মানে মোৰ 18 ক কি কৰিব লাগিব, 18 ক 2 এ দি ডিভাইড কৰিব লাগিব. 2 9 যা কি 18, তো 9 তো পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হয়, 3 স্কয়ার. সো কোয়েশ্চন তো গম পালা চাগে কি হল, হয় না, ইয়াত কি আছে, ইয়াত 2 এটা আছে. কাম ব্যাক টু দা কোয়েশ্চন, সিঙ্গেল কোন আছে, 2 আছে. যদি এই 2 টোকে মই ক্যান্সেল কৰি দিও, তেতিয়াও তো পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হ'ব. দেন হোৱাট শুড বি ডিভাইডেড, এগেইন সেম আনসার, সেম লাইক মাল্টিপ্লাইড. সো 2 শুড বি ডিভাইডেড, same like question number 4. okay, same question in the exam, if I give what should be multiplied, then also your answer will be what, so 2 should be multiplied. Same question, what should be divided, again same answer, so 2 should be divided. Understood? In both way it will become a what, perfect square. যেনে কি 18 to multiply কৰিলে 36 হয় পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হয়, ডিভাইড কৰিলে 9 হয় পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হয়. বুজি পালা, নাম্বাৰটো কি আছিল 18, এটো পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার নহয়, বাট যদি ইনটু 2 কৰি দিয়া হয়, তেতিয়া হলে 36 হয় কি হ'ব, পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হ'ব. আৰু যদি ডিভাইডেড বাই 2 কৰি দিয়া হয়, তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব, 9 হয় পারফেক্ট স্কয়ার হ'ব. মানে both way 2 should be multiplied, 2 should be divided. answer to same হ'ব, অকল মাল্টিপ্লাই থাকিলে মাল্টিপ্লাই লিখিবা, ডিভাইড থাকিলে ডিভাইড লিখিবা. understood? so I think this question also you can do as homework. okay, so first part done. What should be divided, 2 should be divided. Now let us do the last part. What is the last part? Also find the number whose square is the new number. so আকৌ same process কৰিব লাগিব. so now কি লিখিম মই, 4608 কি লিখিম এবাৰ, what should be divided না, কি লিখিছো, what should be divided, 2 should be divided. so divided by 2, কি লিখিলো, divided by 2. তো ইয়াতো divided by 2 কৰা, ঠিক আছে না, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 3 into 3. okay, so কি দি ডিভাইড কৰিলো, এটো কি হয় 4608 হয় না, এটো কি হয় 4608 hoy, it complete to 4608 divided by what? 2. So divided by 2. So now if I cancel this 2 and I cancel this 2, so what will remain? So what will remain? I can say what? That 2 into 2. So গোটে কেটা পেয়ার হৈ গল নে এতিয়া এই 2 2 যেতিয়া গুছি গল ইয়াপা সো পেয়ার 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 এতিয়া কি ওলাব লাগে স্কয়ার রুট ওলাব লাগে so therefore see over here I will write this one so therefore square root of 4608 divided by 2 so I to divide কৰিবলৈ কোনো দৰকাৰ নাই ঠিক আছে কাৰণ এটো আমাৰ आंसर নহয় আমাৰ आंसर ইয়াত আছে ওকে তো কি লগাবা ইয়াতো স্কয়ার রুট লগাব লাগিব হয়নে ইয়াতো আমি কি লগাম স্কয়ার রুট কি 4608 divided by 2 4608 divided by 2 এর ভ্যালু কি পাইছিল a2 হয়নে এটো লিখি দিয়া 2 into 2 4 6 8 এটো নহয় জানো এটো লিখি দিয়া কারণ 4608 by 2 কি হয় এটো হয় তো সোয়া দুটা টুৰ পৰা কি কলো মই দুটা ডিজিট সপা এটা ডিজিট উলাই আহিব হয়নে সো দুটা টুৰ পৰা কি উলাব এটা টু উলাব ইনটু আকৌ দুটা টুৰ পৰা কি উলাব one more 2 again from 2 to one more 2 again from this pair one more 2 and from this pair 1 3 from this 2 3 1 3 from two items one item will come so what is your answer then 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 this is 8 3 to the 6 8 6 the 48 so what is your answer 48 so what should be divided 2 should be divided that is your first answer okay then after dividing what is that new number whose square what is the number whose square is the new number 48 is the number whose square is the what new number understood লাগিলে verify কৰি চাব পাৰা verify কৰি দেখাম সোয়া verify কৰি no need to do in your notebook just I am showing so 4608 divided by 2 হবো কি 4608 divided by 2 হবো কি okay so যদি cancel কৰো 2 to the 4 2 3 the 6 2 0 0 2 4 যায় কি পালা so মনত ৰাখা 2304 এতিয়া হলে ইয়াক স্কয়ার কৰিলে কি আহিব লাগিব এটোই আহিব লাগিব তেতিয়া হে आंसर करेक्ट হ'ব তো সোয়া 48 into 48 8 8 the 64 6 8 4 the 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 right 38 8 4 the 32 3 4 4 the 16 17 18 19 okay so 4 8 plus 2 10 1 14 12 sorry 9 10 11 12 13 and then 2 so what is the answer 2304 hold on also find the number this is the number whose square যদি এক স্কয়ার করা হয় কি হবে will be the new number that is 4608 divided by 2 মানে ইয়াক স্কয়ার কৰিলে কি পাই যাবা নিউ নাম্বারটো পাবা নিউ নাম্বার কি হয় এটো হয় 4608 divided by 2 সো এটো উলোৱাৰ কোনো দৰকাৰ নাই এ 2304 উলাবলৈ দৰকাৰ নাই আমাৰ आंसर এটো নহয় তো আমাৰ आंसर কি 48 হয় সো ইয়াত ফোকাস কৰা না 48 ওকে okay one more I will do say question number 6 I am doing okay others you try at home okay number 2 number 3 number 4 number 5 you try at home if you can't then I will do definitely I will do just you message that I was unable to do I will definitely solve that one okay and don't copy from friends okay if anyone is done don't copy from them you try by yourself if you can't you can just call me okay 2475 2475 okay so 5 is there so what divisible by 5 isn't it so 5 4 are 20 then 21 22 23 24 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 is there, right? 4 and 7, 47. 5 9 ja 45, 46, 47. 2 5, 25. 5 5 ja 20. Again 5 is there. So very nice. 5 9 ja 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 45. So 5 9 ja 45. 9 is 9 and 9. By what it will go? By 3, isn't it? 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Done. So 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into what? 11. So 5 is in pair, 3 is in pair. What is not pair? 11 is not pair. Now if this 11 would have been not there, যদি 11 to না থাকিলে হেতেন, then to this is a perfect square. So what should be divided? কি থাকিব নালাগে ইয়াত? 11 থাকিব নালাগে. So answer কি হ'ব? 11 should be divided. আর যদি what should be multiplied? কি multiply কৰিব লাগে আকৌ? 11 should be only multiplied. Understood? So the answer remains same, okay? So 11 should be divided. So 11 should be divided. First part done. Now your last part. Last part is what? Also find the new number. Also find the number whose square is the new number. Understood? So for that, what should we divide? 11 we should divide, right? So divide by 11. Now if we have to divide by 11, then very good, divide by 11. 2475. Sorry, no need to put root over now. 2475 divided by 11. Divided by 11, which is equal to, what is 2475? What is 2475? 5 5 3 3 11. 2475 is 5 5 3 3 11. By what I will divide? 11. So 11 11 cancelled. What is remaining? 5 5 3 and 3. Okay. So therefore square root of 2475 divided by 11 will be equal to square root of what? 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Now very simple. From this 2 5, 1 5 will come out. From this 2 3, 1 3 will come out. What is 5 3 ja? 5 3 ja is 15. So that's your answer. Understood? So what should be divided? 11 should be divided. After dividing from 11, whatever this number you will get, no need to find that number, but whatever number you will get, ইয়ার স্কয়ার কি হবো? এই নাম্বার কার স্কয়ার হবো? ইয়ার 15 এর স্কয়ার হবো। মানে 15 এর স্কয়ার কিমান হয়? কিবা কৈছিল না সব 15 এর স্কয়ার কি হয়? 225. ইয়াক ডিভাইড কৰিছো কি আহিব? 225 এ আহিব। ইয়াক ডিভাইড কৰিলে 110% it will be what? 225. কারণ 15 স্কয়ার কি হয়? 225. What is the new number? What is the number whose square 15 square kiman 225 is the new number? Here divide korle ki ahibo 225. Kori sabo para 11 2 ja 22, then again 27, again 11 2 ja 22, then 11 5 ja 55. 225 e ahibo here. Thik ase buji pala? Same with question number 2 3 4 and 5 kora noaile ma kori din. Okay, so try question number 5. Question number 6. Find the smallest number by which 4851 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a what? Perfect square. Same question you see. Again same question. Okol word maths hisabe dise. Same question hoy na question number 4 or nisina. Aru bhal. Yat kono second part nai. Okol ki hudise question to swa. In question number 6 it is only said find the smallest number by which this must be multiplied. Also find the number whose square is the new number. Enaka eko kothai koa nai. Tar mane etu easy hol aru same like question number 4 or first part 2. Okay, question number 7 so find the smallest number by which this number must be divided. Same like question number 5. Question number 5 same tenaka iman kon koile hol find the smallest number by which this should be divided. Okol answer iman kon hobo ekon part koriboi na lage, more easy. Okay, still I will do. So question number 6, find the smallest number Find the smallest number by which 4851 must be multiplied. Okay, so factorize करा सब आगे 4851 ना 4851 by what you will go? 1 is there na, it is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So check by 3. 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 1 is how much? 18. So 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 is how much? 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 4 18, 3 6 ja 18, 3 1 ja 3, 4 5 21, 3 7 ja 21. Again check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 7 is how much? 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. 3 5 ja 15, 16, 11 na, 3 3 ja 9, 10, 11, 27, 3 9 ja 27, 539. 539 by what? Difficult number, isn't it? 539. So check. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. 8 plus 9 is how much? 8 plus 9 is 17, isn't it? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So with now by 5, since the last digit is not 0 or 5, so it is not divisible by 5. Check by 7. Check by 7. 7 7 ja 49. 50, 51, 52, 53, 49. 7 7 ja 49. So it is divisible by what? 7. So one by one, each prime number you will keep on checking. Okay, one by one. 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13. Okay. So by 7 you will go 7 7 ja 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. How much? 4. 4 and 9, 49. 7 7 ja 49. Then again 77 definitely by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. 11 is prime number, so you can stop here. Okay. So therefore 4851 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 11. So what was the question? Find the smallest number by which this should be multiplied. So 3 is in pair, 7 is in pair. Find the smallest number by which this should be multiplied. So 11 is the smallest number. Write the sentence from your book, from your question. So 11 is the smallest number by which 4851 should be multiplied. Should be what? Multiplied. So in short, you can in the exam you can write that therefore 11 should be multiplied. That one also if you write, your answer is correct, you will get full marks. Okay, no problem. So understood? Very easy question number 6. Even easier than question number 4 because it is short. In question number 4 again by what? Again what? We have to multiply. We have to find the square root. So it is easier than question number 4 actually. And question number 7, it is your homework. Same like question number 5. By what number it should be divided? So whatever will be single, that should be divided. So try question number 7. Try question number 5. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this homework. Send me. Sunday everyone notes I will check. Okay. Everyone. Till now I have not checked many of your notes. Okay. Because I am not getting that much time. Okay. But Sunday I will check each and everyone's homework. Each and everyone notes. So you send the notes because Sunday I will definitely check, and after Sunday I will not check. So before Sunday, whatever notes you have written from this chapter 3, you send, I will check. Okay, homework, notes, everything. Yes, you have to do the homework also. Try the homework. If you cannot do, just message me. I will do in the next class. Okay. Okay, and if you can do the homework, then very good. In the next class we will start what? Exercise 3.2. Okay. Because this exercise is completed. Other same question now this all. So you practice by yourself. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Do the homework and you show me. Okay.